and today we are making applesauce cookies. Let's get started. And I've leveled it off with my finger. See, you can barely tell anything's in there. It's perfectly 1 cup of flour. All right, our applesauce cookies are mixed, they are cooked, they are done. Look at this, they are looking fabulous and fluffy, just how I like them. They have that good cinnamon and nutmeg flavor that you love of the fall. So go ahead, bake yours and enjoy.